Children, Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Nursery class, welcome back once again to your English class. In the previous class, I taught you how to read A sound words. Now in today's class, I am going to make you recognize this A sound word. I will ask the pictures and you have to tell me which word is this. Okay, so let's start. Now who will tell me, is it a cat or a mat? It's written over here, a cat and a mat. Now who will tell me whether it is a cat or a mat? Who can answer me? Is it a cat or a mat? Yes, very good. It is a mat. It is a mat. It is not a cat, but it is a mat. Now, who will tell me, is it a hat or a rat? Here it's written a hat and a rat. Now, which picture is this? Who will tell me the correct answer? Here it's written hat or a rat. Now you have to tell me the correct answer, whether it is a hat or a rat. Yes, very good. It is a hat. Which picture is this? It is a hat. Now, here it is written a bag and a cat. Now you have to tell me the correct word, whether it is a bag or a cat. You have to tell me, answer me. Which picture is this? Is it a bag or is it a cat? Who can tell me the answer? Yes, very good. It is a bag. Which picture is this? It is a bag. Now, here it's written a rat and a bat. Now, who will tell me, is it a rat or a bat? Who can answer me the correct word of this picture? Correct name of this picture. Who will tell me, is it a rat or a bat? Who can answer me? Very good. It is a bat. Which picture is this? It is a bat. Now, here you can see it's written a bat, a rat and a hat. And here it's a picture. Now, you have to tell me the correct name of the picture, or correct answer. Now, who can tell me which picture is this? Is it a bat or a rat or a hat? Who can answer me? Who can answer me? Very good. It is a rat. Which picture is this? It is a rat. Here it's written bat also, rat and a hat. And you have to tell me the correct answer. The correct answer is, it's a rat. It is a rat. Picture of rat. Now here it is written a mat, a cat, a bag. Now you have to tell me the correct answer. You have to tell me which picture is this from the given word. A mat is also written. A cat is also written and a bag is also written. Now you have to answer me the correct name of the picture. Is it a mat or a cat or a bag? Which picture is this? Who can answer me? Yes, very good. It is a cat. Which picture is this? A cat. Which picture is this? A cat. Now, turn to page 8 of your pre-primer book. Now you can see a tap is written and a cap is written, and the picture is given here. You have to tell me the correct answer of this picture. You have to correct name of the picture. So who will going to tell me which picture is this? Is it a tap or a cap? Who can answer me? Answer, be loud and answer. Yes, very good. It is a tap. A tap. A cap is also written, but the picture is of tap. It is a tap. Now here you can see a van is written and a pan is written. The picture is given over here. You have to tell me the correct name of the picture. Is it a van or a pan? You have to answer me. Which picture is this? Be loud and answer. Let me see who can answer. Very good. It is a pan. Which picture is this? A pan. Now you can see it's written here a fan and a man, and here the picture is given. Now you have to tell me the correct name of the picture. Is it a fan or a man? You have to answer me. Which picture is this? Who will answer me? Who will going to tell me the correct answer? Yes, very good. This is a man. It's a picture of man. Now you can see a cap is written here and a tap is written here, and the picture is made over here. Now you have to tell me the correct name of the picture. You will see the picture and you will find the correct name from here. So who will tell me? Is it a cap or a tap? Who can answer me? Yes, very good. It is a cap. Which picture is this? A cap. Now you can see a pan is written over here, a van is written here, and a cap is written here, and the picture is given here. Now you will see the picture and you have to find the correct answer, that is the correct name of the picture from here. So who will going to tell me the correct name of the picture? Is it a pan? Is it a van? Is it a cap? Who will tell me the correct answer? Who can answer me? Yes, very good. It is a van. It's a van. A van. Now you can see a tap is written here, a fan is written here, and a man is written here, and the picture is given here. Now you have to see the picture and find the correct name of the picture from here, from this word. So who will tell me the correct name of the picture? Which picture is this? Yes, very good. It's a fan. It is a fan. Picture of a fan. A fan. So children, it is a tap. It is a pan, man, cap, van, fan. And here you can see mat, hat, bag, bat, rat, and cat. So children, you may have understood this recognition of the picture. Now you will learn this at home and do the reading of these pages from page 5 to 8. Do the reading of from page 5 to page 8 and learn these words. These are A sound words. Okay. Next I will teach you in the next class. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.